Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you an updated video on how I conditioned Papa's clay in about 20 seconds. I'm using clay from 2020 so you can see it doesn't matter how old your clay is. Without conditioning, the clay will be crumbly because it uses more natural ingredients and less oil than what many of us are used to. So if your clay is crumbly, that just means it still needs to be conditioned. It does not mean there's a problem with your clay. When you're first learning about Papa's clay, take a piece of clay about this size because it conditions really quickly and you can get a feel for how it behaves. As you can see, I'm holding the clay between my fingers and thumbs and pinching it and smashing it and just repeating that process. I found this to be the best and quickest technique to make Papa's clay workable. Right at this point, I'm about 20 seconds into conditioning the clay and it has been made workable. I can tell because it has become velvety smooth in my hands and it is no longer crumbly. I can now shape it, smash it, roll it, or do whatever I need to do to sculpt with it. Please let me know if you have any questions at all about this process, and thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.